discs and pads. Jack the car up, put it onto suitable axle stands, and the first thing you need to do is remove this screw here, and to remove that screw you will need someone to press on the brake for you. Okay, pressing the brake, pal.
Well, just keep it down.
Really hard, yeah. Right, pressing hard on the brake.
Yeah.
These are really quite stiff, and you have to be really careful that you don't strip it or damage it. Right, hard as you can, pal.
Okay, doing it.
And there it comes.
Zim.
Keep it on. And do this with the brake caliper on, because otherwise you might push the piston out. It won't really work properly. Okay, pal, that's you. Thank you.
Let go.
Yeah, you can let go now. Screw out, don't lose it. Next is this spring here. See it? This spring. We want to remove that, okay? It's quite easy. Just put a screwdriver in there, like so. And how's that? There's the spring out. Put it beside the screw so we don't lose it. Next we need to ping these off. You see them? Pull these out, put them down beside there. There's another one up here. There it is. Pull these out. And next, of course, we need a smaller one of these, a 45. Insert it into there. There you go, they pull out. There's a man coming through all those bits. And they look like that. Next, just pull the caliper off, like so. Get a bungee. Dangle it off there. This pad here will just lift out. Hang on. Whoops, that one's just fallen off. That pad's just fallen out of there. There's one pad. As you can see, they're not bad, but there's one of the discs is slightly warped, and that's why I'm changing them. Now this pad, where is it? This pad here is held in place on the piston with these springs. So you can just pull it out. Then get a G-clamp, put it on there. Tighten it, see as I tighten it, it's pulling the piston back. And there we go. That's the piston held completely back. No fluid will escape. It's dangling from up there, so there's no strain on the pipe. And we can just leave it alone while we get the carrier off. The carrier is on with these two big bolts. When you take them out, you don't put them back in, you put brand new ones on every time. So there's two of them, one there and one there. Easy, easy, yeah. carrier. And the hub carrier, it looks like that once you get it off. Yes. I've already taken this screw out, and that's all that holds this disc on. Look, there's mag on it. So we can get that off. There we have it. Finish with looks like a good disc. There's the new disc, right? See the hole there? Match that up with that screw hole. There we go. Oh, there we go. That's that. So. Okay. I won't be able to tighten this up until my assistant comes back to put his foot in the brake. There we go. Okay. Brand new bolts. And really, I mean, it just goes back on where you got it. Like so. Screw that on. And the other one. Big torque wrench. These have to go on at 200 newtons metric. Which is really tight. Whoa! Oh dear. 200. .200 newtons metric. First pad, there it is. Just plonk it in there like that. Dead simple. Couldn't be easier, could it? Now the second pad. See these springs? You just push it so these springs go into the hole here at the back of the piston where I have currently got the G-clamp going. Yeah. Push them in there. Remove the clamp. You see that like? There's the springs, you see them? Shove that in there. There it's in. That's that one. Then we'll unclip that and put the whole thing back on there. There it goes. Now these go back on. Now put these back in. I'll put a wee slither of grease on there. On both of them actually. Pop them back in. There we go. Stick that one in there. And This one in here. I mean, that looks like metal, it's not metal. The people at the showroom that I bought it squished it with silver paint. Screw them back in. Tighten the guide pins up to 28. Well, there we go. 28. Give the disc a wee clean up. Great clean up. Get into the back of that there as well. I've already done the back. Do both sides in case your greasy paws have been on it. Replace the spring. Helps you to do it right way around. There we go, simple as that. Replace the wee plastic caps, see them? There we go. There we are. Now, tighten the screw up to 35 newtons metric. Okay, foot in the brake please. And again, let it off and back on. Okay, hold it tight. Oh. Oh. There already. Okay, now do the other side. Replace the wheels, put the car back in the ground and job done.